Hello everyone, welcome to my tutorial. Today's tutorial I'm going to talk about how to create a new project in Angular. So we are not going to go into very detail of it because this tutorial is more into uh, knowing the aspects of the RESTful API that connects to some client. And for the client we have chosen the Angular project, and for that reason I just need to show you that how to create the Angular project. So once we're done with installing the node and the Angular CLI, and then the next phase or the next thing is to create a new project. So for that purpose we need to go to the appropriate directory, and you can see in the command prompt that the directory where I would like to create is a cdev eclipse, and then over there or in that folder under Eclipse we are going to create our new project. So for creating the new project, this is the command ng, so it's going to be ng new and then the project name. So let's make the project name as A108. So I already have a project for this demo, that's A107. So but I just want to show you that how to create a project here. Okay, so ng new A108. Ng is the command, and then by the word new it's telling that create a new project named A108, and then click on OK. So let's wait. And would you like to add Angular routing? So let's say yes. And then you can see that there are some default things coming as regarding the style sheet. So let's make it default and click on enter. And then it is creating the project. Okay, so the project creation takes some time, not much time, and then within the project creation it creates the skeleton project, and we'll see that how it looks like. And you can see that it's fetching all the data from your from the Git and then creating the project. So let's wait a bit for this. So while it is creating the project, let me show you that how it looks like once the project is done, or the project creation is done. So let's go over here, and you can see that I have created already a project, A107 over there. And if I expand it, you can see that this is the structure of an Angular project. Okay, so you can see like there is a JavaScript resources, E2E, and then node modules. So when it creates the project, it gets all the node modules and then put it over here. So it's kind of a like library. Okay, and if we are going to add some new modules, then it will be coming over here. And then src is the directory where we are going to put all the all the source codes. Okay, and if I expand over here, I have few other directories: app, assets, environment. Okay, and then under app you can see that the component and services. So I'll go into that, but just know that src is the directory where we are going to have all the um, we are going to have all the source codes. Okay, so now let's see if it is done. So see, this is done and it says successfully initialized Git. Okay, now we need to just verify that whether it is actually created the project or not. So let's go to the project cd A108. Okay, and you can now see that we are at the project level directory. And if you click the write the command dir, so it will give you all the directories. So you can see that we have got here Angular JSON, and again Angular JSON is at the left hand side, which is a very important. Here it is, Angular JSON, and then we have the E2E Karma, and then package.json, and then here we have the src. Okay, if you look at the command cmd prompt, you can see that we have a src folder over here. Okay, so once that is done, let's look into more into this directory structure. Okay, so how and then we can import that in our Eclipse. So just file and then open projects from the system, from the file system, and that will go to your directory and then just import from there. So it's very easy and simple. And then now let's look at the package.json file. And you can see that there are some automatically created um, entries over here in the package.json, and we'll be talking about that also later on. So right now we just showed you that how to create the Angular project and how to import it to the Eclipse, and some of the basic directory structure. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.